In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make the same change to multiple sheets in Excel. If you work in Excel for any length of time, you probably have moments where the same formatting, data update, or small correction needs to happen in more than one worksheet. Instead of repeating the worksheet by sheet, you can link the worksheets together temporarily, apply the change once, and have Excel apply it across all the selected sheets. Let us go through the process step by step. First, locate the worksheet tabs at the bottom of your Excel window. These are the tabs that show the names of your sheets. Next, right-click the worksheet tab for one of the sheets you want to edit. When you right-click, Excel will open a small context menu with several options. This right-click is the starting point because it lets you access the selection and grouping tools for worksheets. Now, from that context menu, click Select All Sheets. This option tells Excel to choose every worksheet in your workbook. Depending on your workbook, you might have many sheets, so take a moment to confirm that all the tabs appear selected. In many versions of Excel, when sheets are selected together, the tab labels can look highlighted, and the worksheet title area may indicate that you are working with multiple sheets at once. Selecting all sheets first matters because it makes sure your change reaches every sheet you care about, without you having to repeat the work. With all the sheets selected, go ahead and make the desired change. This might be something like updating text, changing a column width, applying formatting, adjusting borders, or editing values that appear on each sheet. The key point is that you should perform the change as you normally would, but now it will apply to all selected sheets simultaneously. To avoid mistakes, double-check that your cursor is in the correct cells or that you are applying the formatting to the correct range. Because everything is linked right now, a small action in the wrong place could end up repeating the same issue across many sheets. After you finish making the change, you are ready to stop grouping the sheets. This is important because you want to return to normal editing for only one sheet at a time. To do that, right-click a worksheet tab again. You can right-click any worksheet tab since the goal is simply to remove the grouping behavior. From the options that appear after you right-click, click Ungroup Sheets. Excel will remove the linked selection, and you will return to editing only one worksheet at a time. Look for the visual indicator that the tabs are no longer grouped together. Once ungrouped, changes you make will only affect the sheet that is currently active, which helps prevent accidental edits to every worksheet, and that is the full workflow. Right-click a tab, select all sheets so your change will apply everywhere. Make the change once while the sheets are grouped, and then right-click again to ungroup. This approach saves time, reduces repetitive work, and helps you keep your workbook consistent. That covers everything you need to know.